I can't sleep at night knowing that there's people out there who are living with a disease that I know can be reversed if I can just teach them how to eat properly. First of all, as a medical doctor, I've pledged myself to save as many lives as I can. And second, I'm a lupus survivor myself. At 16, I was diagnosed with lupus and I had rashes, photosensitivity, arthritis, migraines, kidney failure, chemotherapy. By the time I was in medical school, I was having mini strokes from blood clots caused by the lupus. So I know what it's like to be sick with autoimmune disease. 14 years ago, I completely reversed the disease, all symptoms and labs negative, all by changing how I eat. And I can't sleep at night knowing that there's people out there who are living with a disease that I know can be reversed if I can just teach them how to eat properly. So that's why I teach my classes for free. So if you're skeptical, that's fine, but don't put your hands over your ears and avoid the information. Listen, I've been teaching these classes online for 2 years now. So if I wasn't really teaching my healing protocol for free, you'd be seeing that in the comments. You'd get on Instagram and Facebook and there'd be comments saying, don't go to this, she's trying to sell you something. Don't go to this, she's gonna try to make you buy a supplement or something like that. But no, if you look at the comments, people are saying, these are my favorite classes. They're saying, because of this, I'm now pain-free. Because of these classes, I feel better than I've ever felt before. That's what people are saying, and I can't control the internet. So just come to the free classes. You can enroll with the link in my bio or go to goodbyelupus.com and click on the banner. Come to the classes. I teach my entire nutrition healing protocol for free, and every time I teach a class, I stay on for question and answer periods to make sure that you understand what to do, because I want you to live a life free of disease. I'm going to be there, I'm going to teach the information, but I can't make you show up. So come and listen. It doesn't cost you anything, and it might just give you back everything you've ever wanted, which is a life free of illness. I hope I see you there.